Magellan, Drake, and Darwin. History records that the expeditions of Ferdinand Magellan, 1480 to 1521 was his lifespan, and Sir Francis Drake, 1540 to 1596, circumnavigated the globe, as did the HMS Beagle with the young Charles Darwin aboard as the gentleman companion of Captain Robert Fitzroy. Airliners now do this on a regular basis. Members of our CEM team have actually flown around the globe. We had one team that flew in one direction simultaneously. The rest of us flew in another direction. We met in Tel Aviv, Israel. Each followed the curvature. The Earth is spherical. Okay, circumnavigation demonstrates that. They did it by ship, we did it by plane. Astronauts in space. The International Space Station has now gone around the Earth over 100,000 times, carrying with it more than 220 different astronauts. One astronaut, Colonel Jeff Williams, has recently returned from his 4th trip to space. Colonel Williams set the record for cumulative days in space, 534, and he is also an outspoken Christian. He and other astronauts have taken thousands of pictures and hundreds of hours of videos of the Earth from space, many of which are available online. You can look it up yourself. They all verify that the Earth is spherical. But one thing that the flat earthers say is, well, all of that's faked. They've got a reason to do that. All of it's faked. Well, now, wait a minute. You got 220 different astronauts. 100,000 trips. Pretty hard to fake all of that. The Coriolis Effect. Very important in this consideration. Speaking of rotation, in tropical cyclones or hurricanes, the powerful winds blow anti-clockwise in the northern hemisphere where we are, and clockwise in the southern hemisphere where Fiji is. Because of the Coriolis effect on a sphere, they would rotate in the same direction if the Earth were a spinning flat disk. You wouldn't have that effect if it were a spinning flat disk. Gravity pulls. David Bassett called our attention to this. There he is. All the other planets and moons are spherical. Over time, any body of this size in space would form a sphere by gravitational attraction. You start out with a pancake, and that thing is going to pull and pull and pull as it rotates in space. And ultimately, you're going to end up with a big ball.